Me use stick. Stick crooked, wall crooked. Me no know. Paper say 5 meters. Stick say 3 sticks and a rock.
Oh, I love it. I'm an addict, I'm addicted to the tempo. I twitch like I'm keeping beat to a metronome. 4 bars, 8 bars, 16 or more. AQUI touch to keep your feet tapping the floor. I lay a kick, then a snare, then a hi-hat, then I EQ it all to make it sound fat. Pull up a synth with some bass to blow your mind. Marry the kick with the bass, it can take some time. You know I like it. I'm addicted, addicted. You know I'm addicted, addicted. You know to this I'm addicted, addicted. You know I'm addicted, addicted. You break the habit. I'm addicted to this music. I'm an addict. I can't break the habit. You know I like it. I'm addicted to this music. I'm an addict. I can't break the habit. You know I love it. I'm addicted to this music. I'm an addict. I can't break the habit. You know I like it. I'm addicted to this music. I'm an addict. I can't break the habit. I'm an addict. I can't break the habit. No, need another hit of this beat just to fund the flow. More bars, more bass, they compress it all. Send it to the side chain to make room for some more. I get a hit from the kick, from front to back. Then the snare comes along just like a heart attack. An overdose is close, get into my brain. Adapt the limit to the habit to keep it contained. You know I like it. I'm addicted, addicted. You know I'm addicted, addicted. You know to this I'm addicted, addicted. You know I'm addicted, addicted. You break the habit.